Festive season is here and we would want to look perfect for every pictures we take this season. So here's a step-by-step tutorial to look perfect on camera. Having a fresh, clean skin is the first step, for which I use Noxzema Classic Clean Deep Cleansing Cream. I make sure I massage my skin thoroughly and then clean my face. I generally use wet wipe to remove the cleansing cream from my face, but you can also use hot towel to get that spa-like experience and feel even more fresh. Next, I'm going to use something that has eucalyptus. Now it's time to use a toner to tighten the skin, and this is from the brand called Dr. Teal's. It instantly refreshes my skin. I feel so rejuvenated the moment I apply. Then I take my Day Wear Moisturizing Cream from Estee Lauder and I evenly apply onto my skin. I love the consistency of this moisturizer. It's very thin but hydrates my skin beautifully. I have very dry skin, but this does the job perfectly. Now that the skin is perfect, take your favorite buildable foundation and apply it with the foundation brush. Take your time while applying the foundation on your skin. Take 1 or 2 shade lighter concealer and apply it on the under eye area and blend it with a concealer brush. Again, take your time while doing so. Next, I move over to the brows. I first apply a brow pencil as base to define my brows, and then on top of it I apply a brow powder. Good skin, good foundation and perfect brows are must to look good on camera. Next, I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible darker shade foundation stick to contour my face. Now, contouring helps to add further frame and definition to your face so that you look good on camera or any photo shoot whatsoever. You can see how I am blending it with my contouring brush, and take your time once again to add frame to your face. Now, this step I consider to be the final crucial step of the base makeup, that is adding the setting spray. I take a little bit more because I want the makeup to last all day long. Also, I'll suggest to invest in a good setting powder so that your makeup lasts whole day, your face doesn't turn oily, and your pictures of course come out well. It's time to move to eye makeup. Take out your matte bronzer and apply that shade onto your crease area as the step 1. It's fall season and it's time to play with warm tones. I'm using my Friends Revolution palette. I'm going to use these 3 shades: Chickenpox, Tan and Ray Scar Bed. So step 2 for the eye makeup is applying Chickenpox onto the eyelid area below the crease line where I applied the bronzer as crease color. I don't like the name Chickenpox, but it's okay. And then I took the shade Tan and applying it on top of Chickenpox. You can see Tan is such a beautiful warm tone shade. Light always hits on the center point of the lids, which is why after blending the shade Tan, I'm going to apply Ray Scar Bed on the center point of my lids. You can see it's a beautiful shimmery metallic shade, and such warm tones are perfect for fall season or any festive makeup. Also apply the same shade onto the inner corner of your eyes. This opens up the eyes, especially when you're doing some photo shoot. I'm also going to take that same bronzer that I took in my step 1 and add that shade once again onto the crease line. I felt like I lost some of its color, which is why I am reapplying. Matte peachy blushes are subtle and versatile, appropriate for any season. I chose a rose gold highlighter from Maybelline that goes well with my peach blush. Don't forget to apply highlighter this season if you want to look really glamorous on camera. Adding black kohl liner brings out the beauty of your eye makeup, and your eye makeup will look even 10 times better if you apply lots of mascara and false lash this season, especially when you're going for a photo shoot. Now I'm taking a deep coral or rather burnt brick kind of a shade of a lip liner to define my lips. I love matte maroon shades, especially during this, colder month. And I'm taking the shade from Revlon, applying it on my lips, followed by a nude shade from Wet n Wild. You can see I'm mixing different kind of colors. I didn't want too dark lip shade, which is why I'm toning it down with a nude shade. You can always mix and match and bring out a shade which you love. and it can also go well with your outfit that you choose to wear. And then in the end, I went one step further. I took my kohl liner and defined my lower lash line. The more you define your eye makeup, of course it stands out further when you do a photo shoot, or you're doing a video, or you're just taking your Navratri or Durga Puja pictures. You would want to look perfect in every picture, right? So this is the reason why I applied the kohl liner, and I also applied mascara on my lower lashes to complete the look. Now it's time for me to show you all which pictures I took doing this makeup. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful. Happy Pujas!